Alright, no more. You feel me? They gonna take a nigga shit down.
To y'all.
Oh, bro. Let me tell y'all something, bro. So, like, look, check me out, bro. So, young nigga, just, I woke up on some shit, bro. Like, I was on some Snapchat, bro. But I ain't gonna count, I'm finna delete that shit, bro. And my mama, that shit be so dead. That's why I'm telling y'all the boys get up with me on the motherfucking Instagram and shit like that. But I was on the motherfucking Snapchat and shit, right? And my bad for, like, you feel me? If I just be saying boys, you feel me? Cause be some females in that be fucking with a nigga. They be fucking with a nigga and they bitch too, you feel me? I fuck with that. Y'all fuck with me, I fuck with y'all, no cap. You feel me? That's all it is too. On my mom's, bro. For real. You support me, I support you, bro. Why you got the ball in the back? God damn, your shit. Damn, this is my first time being in your shit. Your shit gutted, like a race car. Yeah, the sheets, bro.
That shit a real race car.
For real, you got the sheets in that bed. You trying to go hoop? It don't matter, I'm on anything.
A bitch though, bro.
What, bro, what's bro name?
Like, you really a waste of time when it comes to hooping, bro.
He just talking, bro. Cuz just talking now.
This nigga ass.
Cuz talking now.
Ass. We can go hoop right now. What? I'm glad I moved up the creek though.
Shit, that bitch nice. Going away from that bitch. On to new beginnings. Y'all finna see my nigga grow. And guess how old the nigga is? He only 16. You feel me? But like, I'm telling you, bro, y'all niggas finna be amazing what we finna do. Like, we finna really show y'all boys something. We really some Atlanta niggas just living out shit. You feel me? Like, not me.
When I make it out, I'm gonna put on for my city. I'm claiming Houston, Texas, but I'm not from Houston, I'm from Cairo.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up.
You
gotta turn that bitch out right now.
That ain't too loud. I just wish I had one. BB gun, bro, you should don't be hitting. Real life BB gun. Bang, 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 bang. That was like a firecracker.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that bitch ass thing.
it ain't though, that bitch exploded.
Lucky I can't turn on that light. My fingernails, I ain't doing it. Shut this off? You shut this off?
Yeah.
Right. Let's go now. I can shoot her like this too. I'm shaking though. So like this type shit.
Yo, I'm fine nigga ass. So this first time going to the gun range, you feel me? I've been shooting guns, but this is the first time I'm actually going work on my farm, you feel me? I have to work on that motherfucker. Finish up.
Put that bitch on your shoulder, bro. That's how we finna kill himself. That nigga finna kill himself. No, don't shoot it yet. Don't shoot. Come on, shoot the hoe. That nigga said I'm gonna give up on this shit. Rob, which one you aiming at?
Nigga, where we at? 2?
We at 3, dumbass.
3, nigga?
The second one, bro. Scare right, nigga. Hey, he hit straight target. Huh? That nigga hit straight target. Hey, bro. I think I was hitting them with target. I ain't gonna cap. Swear. Go ahead.
Don't copyright me. I see the holes over there. I see the holes. You ain't got the waves to stop playing with that, man.
Man, I got the waves. Show him again.
The biggest Mexican dripster.
Show him again.
The biggest Mexican dripster right there, bro. Ah. Oh. Then what? Then what? Post it anywhere. Fucking thug. What's up?
Post it.
What's up, my man? So, we talking about that in the morning?
For sure, bro. We gotta get some shaking. These niggas. Wow.
Crazy how you wanna fuck with me now. Remember you used to play me fake gold, now it's all bust down. Had to fake it to make it. Stack it, I stack it and flip it. Bitch, I can flex it, was right now, it's riches.